I am super excited to show you this next truck. It checks all the boxes. It's hard to find out on the market. It's in super good condition and very low miles. Now, let's go visit the moneymaker. Hello, once again, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today, I'm coming at you with an amazing 2018 ISUZU NPR-HD EFI powered by the very popular 6.0 liter V8 Vortec GM gas engine, and get this, only 42,000 miles on the clock. Ladies and gentlemen, it's this kind of truck right here that makes this business fun. Now, we generally refer to this type of truck as a landscaper or a lawn care truck, but if you're hauling anything that rolls, this could be the one for you. Are you hauling side-by-sides? You need to transport your Harleys? Are you a plumber with rolling sewer equipment? How about ride-on fertilizer sprayers? You can even roll Aunt Edna up in this thing. Back here in the rear with the gear, we have a 15-foot long aluminum skinned cargo box by the Morgan Corporation. The rear door that you're looking at here is a full-size swing down bifold ramp that has just enough spring tension to allow you to easily raise and lower this with one person. This Morgan body is equipped with an Apatong hardwood floor. It has an aluminum roof, plywood lined walls, E-track, LED lighting, a generous amount of ventilation. We have a 40 by 70 inch side access door with a pull-out stepladder, and we have an undermount belly toolbox for extra storage for equipment or tools. Hey, do you like this video? Do you want to see more just like it? Well, you gotta let me know. Hit that like and subscribe button and tell us in the comments what you think. Ask us a question. We would love to hear from you. As we continue to look at this cargo box, let's talk about a few other things. First, we have an optional extended warranty programs that will take you out for 3 years from this point, unlimited miles nationwide. Holler at us for the details. Also, are you out of state and need this truck delivered? Well, we offer coast-to-coast delivery with our licensed and bonded transporters. Hey Jeff, how do I buy this truck? Well, we take cash payments and we have very competitive financing. If financing is something you're looking for, just down here below, we have a soft pull credit app that will not ding your credit, and it will allow us to get a quick look to be able to tell you what your payments would look like on this truck right here. Do you have a lender that you already work with? Well, perfect. We would love to work with them just as long as you get this truck. Why should you come to Oklahoma and buy a truck from me? Well, it's simple. We don't have rust. Unlike up in the northern states where you're going to have rust buckets that are going to cause you all sorts of problems and repairs, this frame you can see is very clean. Moving on to the cab interior, it's one of the cleanest interiors I've seen on a used crew cab. This cab is equipped with cold AC, cruise control, AM/FM radio, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt wheel. It has multiple auxiliary power port plug-ins, and there's seating for 7. Skinny people, that is. The backstory on this ISUZU is I purchased this truck from a local Oklahoma City customer who decided to get out of the business. He frankly told me he had found an easier way to make money, and I don't blame him if that works. Anyway, I was talking to this guy for 5, 6, 7 years, so I knew him, and I was already familiar with his truck. I've seen it several times, so when it came available, it was an easy choice. Once this ISUZU arrived at our location, it went through our shop and underwent our road-ready service and inspection process, where we not only do our service and PM on the vehicle, but this also allows us to get in there and check for things front to back, like looking for engine codes, looking at tires, brakes, equipment function, driving performance, while also repairing or replacing anything within reason that we find missing, broken, or unserviceable. And right before this vehicle sells, it is going to get a full brand new set of tires. And I tell you all this just to let you know that you can expect to get a vehicle from me ready to hit the road, ready to go to work. And listen, if this isn't the perfect truck that you're looking for, call me or visit our website. We often have vehicles that we don't even advertise. They just sell too quick. Well, I'd like to thank you for spending this time with me. And don't forget, my name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.